Sanibonani bafethu, welcome to Up Back Through, our first episode where football meets lifestyle and culture. Le bafethu podcast yala eThekwini, and we got your favorite Durban people, your favorite Durban artists, your favorite soccer players. Sihlangene la sonke namhlanje, we just want to combine football, culture and lifestyle. First episode, our icebreaker, Asiye.
It's a revolutionary house. And you don't come here with that tendency.
Yeah, bafethu sesiyazi wonke umuntu uthubala. Umqeqeshi nje bahleli nawe la. Sibe nenhlanhla ke ukuthi siye sakubona udlala ulwabantu ushaya abantu ngebhakela oref ubona ukuthi oref la ngathi bazogibela ke highest manje awazi kwenze njani.
Kanti ingane istory echazayo. Izingane.
Aziningakhona.
Akabi phela.
So ucoach uzoyisho wena. Ukwazi ukuthi njoba ulontuzana manje usukhosha. Wawubuka yena ukuthi wena njengoba usuka la uqubula abantu ushaya abantu ulwa nocoach. Wawazi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uzohlala la kulesihlalo leso. So uthini ususulwa kenze njani?
Hayi, cabanga ukuthi osulu ufana baqhubeke lapho la baqhubula abantu awujoba ngeke in a serious note nje ihamba nepassion kakhulu cabanga into esiyenzayo not only ebholeni kuphela wonke ama industry esenza kona ihamba nepassion uzukhohlwa ukuthi umsebenzi because egcineni sukunothando nokufisa ukuthi uphumelele kuyona.
Nento coach okay so ukungena mina ibhola ngiyalilandela kakhulu yabo ngiyalibuka ibhola so ke masibuka ibhola siyasizwe ezinye izinto esingazazi noma ziqiniso noma sisuke zingaphakathi uyabo uthola ukuthi support team oyidlalelayo sa enjoy ukuthi ucoach uyaswinisa noma ngaleso sikhathi mhlawumbe saswinisa then sizokuthiwa ayinaki sekufika ucoach and makufika lo coach othize hayi umabhuthe ngayahamba ngoba kazwana lo coach iqiniso lingakanani leyo nto leyo yabo thola ukuthi yabo
Kubaleke ukuthi umlungu wakho mangasazana naye sesihlukana
Ubaba
kufanele uqale ukuthi uphinde uyoqala kabusha komunye umlungu
Boxing. Uyilama class boxing.
but njengoba ngisho ukuthi into ebalekile la ilento ukuthi yonke into oyenza mawuthanda hleze ufuna ukuphumelela ngaso sonke isikhathi kuzoliwa vese into esiyenza hleze kuzoliwa nalamadoda siyala la each and every day but siyathandana futhi ngibakhonzela njengoba sihleze sile but into ebalekile lento engisho ukuthi uqhubeka nje ukuthi siphumelele kakhulu.
But I want to know something, guys.
Yeah.
I was reading now, you know, social media is everywhere. You can't hide social media. So I was reading a story from an ex-professional where he said a certain player, he wasn't playing at the time.
Yeah.
And then he was angry. So he went to have a one-on-one meeting with the coach. Meeting. Fight. Put a gun on the table.
Hey,
he said, why am I not playing? Now I want to know if it's true because we can ask this question because tomorrow in training, can't ask that in the meeting. Yeah, I can ask it here.
now you
Now I can ask it here. I want to.
Who are we asking?
Because yes, I'm not playing. I want to know.
Who are you asking?
I want to know if I can.
The person is here.
He's here.
Who?
how
Who are you asking?
Okay.
Okay. So what means the stories of people?
You came and asked him, so you went from a player to a coach.
Kauzo shutha ephethe nurayen uthi kuthiwa. So umnyazi wasizona.
I'm saying someone sitting here, when he was a player, he wasn't playing. Now he's a coach. So you can read between the lines who it is.
oh okay
At the moment, he's a coach. But when he was playing, he wasn't playing at that time.
So Ryan
I want to know.
ukuzudlale sizothi thina wena uzwe kuthiwa ukuze ube nescheme osithole uzwe kuthiwa yeah.
So I want to know, coach, is this true or not?
Njengoba uyachaza
Let me go direct.
njengoba uyachaza kale umuntu social media sesikwasho tamanje influencer social media shothi ngabo omunye umuntu oyi-influencer naye o-influencer leso story sifana nale
Shuthi iphutshukile phela uchaza lokho.
Menza uzwile ukuthi ucoach wayenze njani mengadlali ningazwani nocoach.
Para ngicabanga ukuthi abafethu ngendlela abangithemba kana ngendlela engibahlonipha ngayo. Bafethu ngiyithemba ngimkhonzile ngithanda kabi. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngayivumela into efana nale ekhulunywa ngabafana ukuthi into ekhona.
But I think nginombuzo futhi for usisi.
Yeah.
Because njoba uNdlebe ke washo siyaqala ukuhlala ne-influencer. Yabo. Sinokubona lapha ku TikTok bani uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe ngoba uinfluencer gcina mhlawumbe uthi makune event usuthola izinto mahala yabo. Then nigcina mhlawumbe seben accuse ngokuthi mhlawumbe nijola nabantu abenza lezo zinto lezo ukuthi izinto lezithole mahala abangayi understand into umsebenzi wenu. So kuwena njengomuntu owenza lezo zinto lezo kufika kanjani kuwena uma uthola ukuthi uzwa lezo zinto and ungakwenza kanjani ukuthi uchazele abanye abantu ngomsebenzi wenu nina bakwazi uunderstand kungathi mangabe ngoba wena umuntu wesifazana omuhle uma ngabe udladla usumenzela umsebenzi esekubonga ngaleyo nto leyo bese kube ngazi ukuthi udladla ubonga umsebenzi wangale bebe bengawuncoma umsebenzi wakho obuwenza phambi kwabo.
Before uqhubeke manje abathola izinto mahala yini ukwazi leyo nto khona ezophendula kahle.
Angithi okay ngithi phela sifuna ngicatha besibheke nelanguage uyabo kodwa ikhona into ethi mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi uzofika ngenzela umsebenzi uyabo angithi bona mhlawumbe ba understand ukuthi uinfluence mhlawumbe ngipromothele ingoma uyabo uma ngabe mina sengibuya ngizobonga kuyena ukuthi okay ngibe ngipromothele ingoma then bese kuthiwa hayi kuthi laba sebeyalala uyabona
ubonga ndlela
mhlawumbe bangabe kuthiwa ngine event sengimnikeza mhlawumbe all access ukuthi uyabo
vele mangipromothele
event opromoter wenzani
ngobona all access
sekumele athole all access
after event noma
during event bese kuthiwa ha uthole all access because bayambatha bobabili enjalo
wonke ama event ikhona into wrong la
hayi ufuna ukuthola ianswer ufuna ukuqondisa inkulumo
yeah. Okay, first things first, abantu understand ukuthi mina creating isikhulumele mina so like okay I can say ngi-influencer ekhona e-gaming right now right
Should uyashisa manje gaming
I'm making an example. I'm making an example. Okay.
Nice.
As a influencer ekhona right now in the game. Okay. Khona umuntu sola mncane okhona ozayo. It's not always going to be me. Right? So while kusangivumela mina I make sure nami ukuthi I use it to the best of my ability. Ukuthi okay, isikhathi sami manje like every other artist, like every other actress, actor or MC or whatever ikhona, even soccer players, wonke umuntu ngiyazi leyo nto ikhona. Ikhona, into ikhona yabo. So abantu bavele njengoba usho ukuthi umuntu akhulume kabi athi ngithatha izinto nibonga ngemuva yonke leyo nto leyo. Basingcolisela igama.
Okay.
Yabo.
Anenzi nini ukuthi mhlawumbe bangithi mina ngoba sesisebenzile bese ngithe kodwa ngokumuhle mhlawumbe bese sikhulumela phansi. Qina mhlawumbe kukhona into sesiyenza nenza kanjani ukuthi ningajoli nama client.
So ayenzeki.
Shothi if kuthiwa ujwala ama client ungajola wonke ama client phela if that's the case.
Ayikho client okuyibona ichaza.
No. Chaza umuntu osebenzisana ngachaza wonke umuntu siyasebenza la sithi
phela uthola ukuthi kube naleyo nto leyo uthola ukuthi iyavela ekuhambeni kwendlela.
No,
kodwa phela alikho iphutha mechaza eclient.
Angithi yonke ngifuna
alikho ngithi iphutha lapha.
Mina ngiyasebenza.
Akase kuselichazileke iclient akukulimaza umsebenzi kama kuthiwa sekwenzekile benisebenza nodladla wagcina udladla mhlawumbe into akayikhulumayo engekho emsebenzini kwakuthi nawe uyayizwa akulimaza umsebenzi wenu lokho makuthi senizwene mhlawumbe nagcina
angeke ngazi but I'm sure kungawulimaza because ngeke sisabuka ngendlela efanayo.
Kodwa general phela onke encane banolimi ubagade labantu besigeni.
So akachaza udlala
Banolimi.
How?
So akachaza udlala
Ngithanda ukufa kodwa sithi siyasebenza manje. Angeke ngize ngibe le outside of work. No, siyasebenza. It's gonna ruin yonke lento esiyenzayo egcineni sine goal we have to push. We need abantu abangaka to come and watch. We need to have a certain number of people buying our tickets. Masters busy so about to That's something else.
But if mina ke mhlawumbe ngisondezwe ukuthi mhlawumbe bengingana indlela okusondela kuwe yabo ngabona ukuthi mhlawumbe ukuze ngisondele kuwe aqale ngi-approach ngokomsebenzi yabo bese kuba
wena ufuna ngikuphendule ngale ndlela wena ufuna indlela amajita amaningi asebenza ngayo ukuthi ngi-approach ngendlela yomsebenzi because bengengikwazi uku-approach mhlawumbe futhi ubungeke ngiyithole attention yakho kuba ngikhuluma ngomsebenzi then sisebenze after umsebenzi bese ngiqala-ke sesixoxa into zami lezi but enye into esiza lapho it's another thing that I also do ukuthi let's say when you need promoters for your event doing my promoter 10 you come to me Solami I need 10 promoters for my event. When I was good, oh, Usman is under me. So I go to wena ukhulume naye direct. You speak to me. Ngiyasebenza.
Ngibona general utengana la khulume naye mele event sibone ukuthi konke ngenzeka.
Yabona uTengane stage sodwa wathi ivoice yakhe iphansi fanele operate iphezulu manje.
Ngenzela ukubuza ngibuzela nomuntu ongazi. Yabona ngoba nombuzo wakho bayayithola ngibuzana nomuntu ongazi because kulezi nsuku TikTok ufika yabona
and siyathuka she
go TikTok ufika bethukwa ku social media
but asifani
ngifuna ukuthi sangithi sikwi platform la akhulumele nalabo abangekho
ukuthi okwazi ukumela
yabaclarify
azogeza igama la
mina into ngifuna ukuyazi la opamanyisa mfethu besidlala nawe sonke sayintwana ngikufice khona la ekhaya ngifuna ukutshela nali ekhalati ukuthi bangibiza opamanyisa ngobani
zokada
kwenzakalani
kade
yini yakwenza ukuthi uliyele ibhola uyena ukhona njengamanje
ngikephi kuqala ngoba
uyimanager phela manje dlala thuze
hayi bese ungakhohlisa abantu bethi ibhola liyahlupa ibhola liyistefa ayikho into esiqeda nje ibhola ngoba kumnandi musadlala kumnandi musadlala
asekuyona manje izinto eziningi ngisho soyikhuluma about ibhola yabo so manje njengoba usulo esekubuzile lo mbuzo lo iziphi lezi zinto wena uthi hayi ngathi mhlawumbe ungayixwayisa izingane yabo ngale experience yakho ube nayo ekwenza ukuthi uzokhwitha ibhola yabo
no ngiyakunpackela manje ukuthi phela wena ushawa ukuthi ngeke uzubona ngithi ngiyakunpackela manje
wawumnandi khona ngeke ukuthi lashuka
opamanyisa
ngithi ngiyakunpackela manje mina ibhola ngibe nenhlanhla ngidlala ngikhule ngadlala early ibhola eningi njengomuntu yabo umukhula izinto kade uyithanda manje ukhula ushintshe no men's manje njengoba attacking midfield mhlawumbe uqale ugoalkeeper so ukhulu uhamba ushintshe njengomuntu yabo so mina ngidlala ibhola at a very young age ngakhula namajita so along the way umukhula ke ukhulu realize ezinye izinto yabo as much as mina kube difficult ukuthi ngidlale yabo With-development bengidlala kahle bengi-excel I was the fittest akekho even ngithiwa kushawa ama-test ama-big test khohlwa onge uthole lutho ngoba ekuseni bengivuka ngo-4 ngiyojoga nobaba ngibuye ngesikoleni ntambama amakujima i-team ngiyojima ne-team so yabo sasikho kwi-level eyodwa lapho nge-weekend uma ngingadlali ngiselwandle ngomgqibelo yabo so asikho kwi-level eyodwa ngoweposition yangidlala mhlambe ngangicishe ngibe-20 but kwakunale nto ekuthiwa i-potential
usajima lethana mshutho one discipline kwaya usabisha ama-test phela ebantwini yini yakhawathi
ayikho into yakhawathi uhambe i-interest iyashintsha angisho ukuthi iyalahleka iyashintsha interest yabo uthola ukuthi usufocus le nto efocus ne-discipline serious because once waqala wayi-channel uba conflicted njengomuntu once waqala wathi ngala ungafani nje umuntu onopete ufuna ukugqamalaza umanje for decide ngale ibhola ngisebenza into ye-bracket
nonke emabholeni niyazenza amabhwebhe
ayikho leyo nto angithola usasha ugriwa ufasa la
so ilezo zinto yabo unoku-understanda nje ukhulu ubona okay le nto ayisangisebenzeli nayo into engathi yangisebenzela manje yabo and leyo nto idinga ayikho into edinga isibindi ukunzima ukuyeka ibhola bazokutshela la erumini nje basikhona bazokutshela kunzima ukuyeka ibhola
ngeke umsebenzi ukhokhelayo usayo first
ngcono i-decision nje mfethu uma usudecide wayithatha kufanele usimele isitori sakho noma bekuthiwa-ke mina uthuyini yabo
ayikho indlela yokuthi bebuyisele ebholeni
zikhona nje manje
akushaya azebholeni kwakuthiwa
mina ukuyibona iglasi yewayini njani ukuyibona iglasi yewayini njani uyibona iglasi yewayini ifike ibe nestand ibe nento ezacile bese iba inkulu mina ngiyila into ephakathi nendawo le stand so ngifuna understand ukuthi hayi ukuthi ngishaya mina ngiyena ushaya ngibalansise yonke lento lapha ezibanga ngoningakhona
ngiyena ushaya ilahleka lapho
mhlawumbe lento njengawe menzi nawe Ryan ukuthi i-content ama-team awefani mhlawumbe isisindo sawo khona i-team ekuthiwa inkulu khona i-team ekuthiwa incane mhlawumbe wena as i-player wenza kanjani ukuthi mhlawumbe makuthiwa ubudlalela i-team enkulu sekuthiwa manje sekuyashintsha uyodlalela i-team ethathwa njengokuthi incane ingqondo yakho uyigcina kanjani ekuthenini mhlawumbe sekushintshile izinto ayisefani mhlawumbe kwi-team enkulu cathi nendlela mhlawumbe usuke uphethwe ngayo ayifani ne-team mhlawumbe nendlela futhi usuke uphethwe ngayo kwi-team ekuthiwa incane wenza kanjani wena ukuthi uqhubeke ube ilo Ryan oyena noma ube umenzi oyena izinto zingasefani kuma-team mhlawumbe nesalary iyashintsha kanjalo kanjalo
Ingane mfethu othi ngifake lo mbuzo right impela. Ukuyena le ndoda le.
Okay, mina ngisenje mfethu okubalekile ebholeni ukuthi njengoba sisho sonke uqala uthando lebhola yabo before kufike ukuthi ngidlalelana yabo mase ke nawe as umuntu njengoba usuku nezifiso zakho zokuthi ufikele yilokho kuhamba phambili isifiso sami mina njengoba ngasuka kwamasho ngakhula ngathi ngifuna ukuthi ngazi yonke indawo ngidlala ibhola njengoba uRun eshilo eqaleni bengabalekile ukuthi ngidlalela yiphi team ngoba bengifuna ukwazisa mina igama lami ngazisa ukuthi mina ngumenze masuku yilokho engikwazi ukwenza so I always apply myself indlela ukuthi wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi umenze ngenzani yilokho nje ngisho coach naye uyazi we always have discussions sometimes about ukuthi yini ebalekile ngasezamini ukuthi ngibe right but all the time ngihlezi ngifaka 100% ejimini which is iyona into ebalekile ukuthi ebholeni uhlezi uyexcel so ngiyacabanga ukuthi lokho ngiphendule kahle
shothi uyakhohlwa nge-weekend ucoach uhlezi uvoka 100% ejimini umenzi hayi mina ngiyangazi nonke ongaza coach uprofessor uMlungisi Ngubane ubazi bonke abadlali wathi fana nguba wena wathi yabonake angikwazi mina ngiyakhohlwa kodwa wangu ukuphusha isifuba kanje ngathi siyakhohlwa
nalokho nje into ebaluleke kakhulu ilokho ukuthi na ucoach uzokutshela futhi ngalo ukudlala ekugcineni ejimini sonke sihlezi sifuna ukufaka 100%
coach uyaqeda
siyazi sonke ukuthi ubani like we all know ukuthi yini mina ngayenza better than anyone else ucoach angangitshela enye into but ngiyazi mina ukuthi yini umenze ngayenza ground ilo identity yami le coach so I always give my 100% yabo but ekugcineni phela ekugcineni angifaki mina coach uyena oplanayo yonke into
ukuthi
abantu omunye wesimo ufuna ngathi coach uyakuzona
Futhi sibadala sesihamba.
Yazi leyo nto sakhulu coach awamfundi.
Ayisekho kanti lokho. Now I'm sure ibhola ngobudlazi uyazi na ukuthi it's not about ukuthi ucoach mhlawumbe akakuthandi kanjani.
Control what you can control.
Kuna plan for each and every game which is sonke vele phela sifuna ukuthandwa yena. So uma ngangitshela ukuthi uyangithanda sometimes kuyangihetha lokho. Base egcineni lokho ngekungistop ukuthi ngisebenze kanzima.
Solani, mucabanga ngizothola data isoccer player support any team. Support the whole team. They put my job to set up a soccer player right was room cheat. Learning I'm there with the position.
No, but to go back to your question as well, I think it goes back to respect, both on and off the field. You know? But when you're with a big team and a small team, even outside of life, it depends. If you can have respect for someone who cuts the grass and someone and the mayor or the president, you must have the same respect for both. So whether you're playing for the big team or the smaller team, whichever one it is, you have to have that level of respect and control what you can control. Going back to what Mendy, sometimes you want to think of what the coaches think. No, focus on yourself. You know, control what you can control. What can I control? I can train well. I can do well in training. If I get selected, I need to do well. If I don't, I go again next week. You know, so sometimes it's controlling that. But there is a difference for the two teams. There is a big difference. Like for example, the newspapers. I won't forget when I was playing in Joburg. I was in Polokwane playing a match. My mother called me in camp. She said, "Where are you?" I said, "I'm in Polokwane." She said, "I'm reading the paper. They say you in an accident day in Rosettenville." I said, "How?" "But I'm in Polokwane." How is it? So like the difference in terms of the media, how it is, and it is a bit of a big difference, you know. But you have to be able to handle that, but not obviously go to a level of being big-headed, because then you get humbled very quickly in the game, you know. So like I keep saying, it's respect. We have to have respect in every field you do, on and off the field. And if you have respect outside of the field, on the field it's easy. You respect your opponent, you respect your teammate, you know. So that's to answer your question. About respect.
Lihlukile but ngaphakathi
liyafana.
So okay, kunenani nonke ke mhlawumbe because sila nge-arrows. Kufila kanjani because mina mangisuke ngingaphandle. Kuba buhlungu kumina ukuthi mhlawumbe sidlala ne-team eqhamuka ngaphandle kwe-province. Kodwa uma ngabe score thina noma singakora 3 goals, asinayo leyo nto leyo. Bona mabekora kuba ngazi ukuthi sidlala away even sidlala ekhaya mawukuthi mhlambe ukuchazela abantu base KZN ababukela njengamanje ukuze sikwazi ukubamema nabo ukuthi beze more uma ngabe suke sidlala basinike support. Kufila kanjani kuwena ukuba under pressure noma udlala ekhaya udlala ne team yangaphandle kwe-province?
I
think le nto yenza kule province kuphela because umuntu udlalile uma province amaningi. Ila KZN uthola ukuthi iyahluka ngoba konke ama province mo Cape Town ba support team ase Cape Town, moye Polokwane Mpumalanga ba support team yakhona, PE ba supporting ila KZN uthola ukuthi nathi njengoba sila siyazi ngaphakathi khona sibathanda. Akwenzakala isikhathi esiningi because uthola ukuthi ama teams ala awasasupporting ngendlela because of abantu uthola ukuthi sithanda labantu bangaphandle especially basegoli ngaphezulu kwalaba. And then I think mentality endala yakhona la ku province sikuyona sinalento ukuthi umuntu mayiphuma ngaphandle ungcono kunomuntu ala ngaphakathi. Nama industry sebenza bona even before kunalento ukuthi fanele uyohlala egoli ukuze ube ngcono. Abantu ku industry sebenza kuyona kukanjalo. Kodwa nani ngikwazi ukukushintsha lokho ukuthi nikwazi ukunila nikhombise ukuthi talent leni yakwazi ukuliveza ungazi uyohlala kwenye. Yabo kunaleyo nto la isikhathi esiningi ngokubona boKaizer ubona abo Pirates befikele la uthothi bonke labantu laba babangani nawo bagcina sibe supporta labantu against baphinde bacela amathikithi kuwena o support opponent okay uphinde uyaxabeka ukuthi indoda kanti kwenzakalani athi hayi uhafu wami wena okuyihafu kodwa bagqoke iskipa lesi
sorry uqedile coach.
Kade nginombuzo bafowethu because njengoba ngisho ukuthi balekile nathi ukuthi sithole sazi ku industry yona ngoba siyabathanda kakhulu and then into abayenzayo iyasithinta kakhulu njengobathi sike saqhaza ekuqaleni ukuthi sometimes banokuperforma before sidlala iyakwazi usinikeza imotivate iyasimotivate iyas-encourage sometimes umculo abawuculayo unama-message entweni esiyenzayo uyakwazi ukuba ne-impact e-positive ngaso sonke isikhathi one umbuzo mhlawumbe bazoshayela imibuzo nemibuzo emibili owokuqala sike sithole ukuthi kwi-industry abakuyona unabantu othola ukuthi uyafika achume nje anyuke masinyane but kuswanishe nathi again uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe after 2 years 3 years awusomboni lo muntu kwenziwa yini and then 2 yini uthathani kubona uthola njengoba kune-competition engaka wonke umuntu uyacula uthothe okugcina bona kwenza ukuthi bakwazi ukumeyikhipha ingoma ezokwazi ukuthi ivelelwe or ishaye bonke abantu bayithande siyenza kanjani leyo ndlela ilokho sifuna ukucacela because every time noma kuthiwa sodlala nabafana bangasho noma kuthiwa kodlala noma kuthiwa siyazihambela ngemoto but umculo sawudlala isikhathi esiningi ngoba uconnectene nalento esiyenzayo
uthi asocishe nje manje
no hayi change
awuqale kahle awuqale kahle
nonke nje umuntu lendlela efanayo
awuqale kahle
hey vet kuyilokhu kokuthi the first question ne kuya ngokuthi wena into yakho ngempela umiphi nayo ngoba njengoba ngisho ukuthi musukulindela abantu umuntu mfethu asikwazi ukulindela mina nje njengoba ngicula ngizoyikhipha ingoma ngikholelwe mina entweni engiyenzayo mase abantu bazokholelwa kuyona ngoba sebebona mina ngikholelwa kuyona and isikhathi awusazi kulomculo esikona and ngeke njalo uhlezi ukhipha ama-hits makwenzeka ingoba vele lento ikuweni ngaphakathi uzowakhipha ama-hits mfethu
ngamula mshumlisi
ya
ngamula kancane ama-artist amaningi anokubhalabhala kusengezwa ividiyo yakho uthi awubhali wena iyazenzakala livele ifike nje
angikaze nje mfethu ungabhala angazi ngeke ungifice estudio ngiphethe ipeni nephepha njengoba ngisho ukuthi nami khona le feeling khona lento engiyilindayo esengaze ngayigqokisa ngathi isithunywa somshunqo yabo mesingakafiki mesingakafiki angiculi
futhi awukhiphi nje bingazange
wangiculi nje mfethu ungafike nje la udlala i-beat khona i-connection engekho phakathi kwami naleyo beat ngeke ngize ngicule abanye bangaze beje uthi hayi udlala uphakeme udla hayi ke angifuni ukwenza into engeke izifike kahle ebantwini angifuni ukuforsa ngcono ngiyilinde lento ekumina makuyimase ngenza ingoma
mhlawumbe ukungenela lapho I think enye into eba sekuthenini yonke into iyashintsha yabo njengale ibhola le mhlawumbe thina sikhule singazi ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi ugoalkeeper abe comfortable enyaweni manje uma ugoalkeeper ungekho comfortable enyaweni usuyadlala ebenchini noma ngakuthiwa ihandling yakhe good kangakanani because siyaqalwa manje ngithi ayisashawa yabo so na ku music unyaka nonyaka izinto ziyashintsha ngesikhathi iminyaka iqhubeka nezinto ziyashintsha so if wena ungahambanga nestyle sakulonyaka usala kwesa last year kusho ukuthi ufuna vele ukuthi bakhohlwe ngawe ku music but uma ngabe uzimisele ngento yakho uyihlupha futhi ngokuthi ubone ukuthi abantu bafunani manje ebese wenza leyo nto abayifunayo ngoba mina ngiyalinganisa mhlawumbe mina ngeke ngenza ingoma usaba wena ngiyenze ngendlela e-wrong because kahle ubawela lokho ilanguage yesiXhosa yabo mina ngathatha ilanguage yesiXhosa ngayicula ngesiZulu kodwa ngokuthi kwakuyinto abantu abayi-understandayo bahamba nayo yahamba ingoma okanjalo futhi na this year kumele ngibone ukuthi yini ezongisiza ukuthi ngisheshe ngithole kalula inhliziyo zabantu ngoba into okufuna uyenze uma uyi-artist
abengayazi
don't inhliziyo yabo udonsa inhliziyo yomuntu kuqala udlalele kuyona ngoba uma ungadlalelanga enhliziyweni yomuntu
But you know, I really want to know, I always want to know from the artist side, and maybe like you guys can explain it for me nicely. It's like, you know, when you sign to a record label, the artist is signed to a record label and your music is going on, how much do you actually make, like money-wise, off that? How many albums do you have to sell to make money, and when your song's on the radio? Like, how does that work? Obviously, for us, they show in the paper everything. House Solo's getting this and this amount. It's all over the papers for us. But like for you guys, how does it work? I'd love to know, like, how does it work in terms of, you know, once you release an album, when do you make your money? How does it work after selling things? Maybe I can leave here today
it's in your
knowing
contract.
how it works.
It's in your contract. It's in your contract. Ryan.
No, I'm asking about I'm asking like
I can answer.
So you don't have to tell me how much you make. I don't want to know. I don't want to know if it's I don't want to know how much you're exactly.
No, Ryan.
No, I don't want to know like how much I want to know once you release the album. Because obviously the record label has to take. Yeah, where do you? Obviously the record label takes. Like I'm tired of Twitter. I'm tired of Twitter.
Okay.
This one didn't make money. Like how percentage wise? Don't tell me how much you're earning, guys.
It's in your contract.
Okay.
So when I say it's in your contract or your agreement, Gam Music, before you release a song, when you record a song in studio, finally after recording, you must sign split sheets.
How much you earn? Your percentage?
Yes, you must sign split sheets after recording a song.
Straight away.
But it doesn't happen. What happens is that before a song is released, then we start going about sending split sheets to each other. So by then you already know how much you're going to earn. But I heard you asked about a record label deal.
Yeah, like
so artists get contracts. They sign record deals to whichever record label that they sign to. In that record deal, everything is stipulated. If you have a monthly income, it's stipulated. If you have a percentage from Mama gigs that you get, they manage your gigs. If you get a percentage, what is your percentage? For your music royalties, how much royalties do you get from the music released under the label? Then royalties, there are two types of royalties. There's master royalties, and then there's composition royalties. Master royalties is the ownership where the music was made.
Yeah.
The record label or the studio where the music was made. Like photographers. If you take a picture,
see, I didn't know that.
If you take a picture, the photographer who owns the camera owns the picture. It's not yours. So it's the same thing with record labels. But then there's composition. Composition has nothing to do with the record label. Composition. That's another form of remuneration that you get. Composition means for this song to exist, to be there, who wrote it?
Who created the
beats? Who created the beats? The sound recording of the song. Who created? Yeah, that's
because on Twitter you don't have fighting.
Someone's went Tembeki.
Imani ngicela umbuzo usukephi?
Wena umthatha wambeka lapho phela sabhala phansi ukuthi uzobe khona. Awusolisa phambi kwabantu mina ungaxolisi idlala.
So ngiyayibuzela umfundisi mengabuza ithalente umuntu ongamazi ukuthi uyacula nje ecula kahle akwenze ukuthi into ufundisana for instance Solana makwazi nje uku-influencer because nawe usamile ukuthi yini engitshwele ngayo beside ube influencer like khona into nokuyizama yabo
ngidedela le notes man
useduze. Yabona la phela njalo uthola manje. Hayi bese ngizwe. Kodwa encane ngicela indaba yithi.
Angifuni ungawaphuza.
Indaba yithi. Ubone ukuthi ngazi. Wawazi la track yakho encane ukuthi izoba iposter nje awungazi. Wagcwala ngayo ukuthi i-track. So, uyacoma website track yakho yithi. Lo umshini sishuthi uhlelile sengimenza ukuthi usengumculi kumele ayithe yona.
Hayi phela mawuculile umculi nje. Ngisho ngathiwa ngikufeaturishile kodwa wakacula nje usumculi.
Shuthi from influencer masemene track eyodwa manje iposter.
Yeah.
So umculi.
Ama-influencer about DJ nje manje. Right.
Nazo DJ?
No.
Hayi asungula bafuna ukwenza into right.
Sifuna amanamba.
So promote bazothenga.
Mhlawumbe ngoba vele sithe kuwe.
Sina sifuna amanamba nje kuphela.
Nina njengama-influencer sinenkinga e-KZN. Even ngathi i-KZN Derby ayigcwali. Uyabona? Sinaleyo nkinga leyo.
Okay, ngiyayiphinda ingagcwali.
Nina njengama-influencer yini mhlawumbe ningayenza ekuthenini nisebenzisane nama-team ukuthi kupromotheka ama-games wethu ase-KZN. Ama-game ethu ase-KZN akwazi ukuba na-more numbers than before.
But ibhola alipushwa, let's be honest. No one's Tati ibhola uthathe event, event agcwala istadium manje sigcwala. It's not the same.
Angithi mhlawumbe nina kumele niqhamuke ne-strategy njengama-influencer influencer abantu ukuthi
bayencane yonke into idinga imali ithi wena sifaka imali.
Yeah, faka imali.
But uzofaka kanjani imali? Strategy sakho ungasizi.
Ngithi afaka imali.
Uthi ibhola alipush
ingakho
alipush ibhola no but
i-platform yebhola ngithi.
No wena wenzani ke
ukuze kuzokala ukuthi kufuneka imali. Kumele
asho lento ishoyo ngoba as an influencer
Okay. So I think he compared with events. Let's use events and soccer.
Yeah.
Kukancane for soccer uthole mhlambe a big influencer ugqoke like i-jersey. Now abantu sebezobona ukuthi with influencing enye into ama-influencers are very influential. Umuntu anqena ukuthi now supporter a certain team just because utencane ugqoke leso skin.
Don't send the size.
Amantombazane mina I have, let's say I have followers follow up because of style, like they like my style. Next thing you post and he tracksuit club thizeni bazoyifuna bazoyingane sebezoyifuna konke.
So manje uqinisile mina nginokuhamba indawo zokudla okumbi ngoba ifluence influencer la enje.
Post ekhona.
Ngizofika mase ngitshela ukuthi hayi ibone bani posting. Uqinisile influencer nalo influence mele ngene.
But it's more than that. It's more than
okay. Buza lento yama-influence because nowadays wonke umuntu uyi-influence.
Uyibona kanjani?
What is ingathini mfethu
uqualifyela kanjani ukuba influencer
uzofika influencer because wonke umuntu manje uyi-influencer.
Yini ethi manje influencer abantu
not uyambona unabantu abawu-1000 epagini lakho ukuthi uyi-influencer ezebhali ngamagama amaphezulu influence.
Kodwa phela msho umuzibethe ama-influencer bethu i-social media ithole isikhona i-influencer ama-influencer ade abakhona ukuthi ayengekho online. Yabo njalo besifunda ukuganga ukutshontsha nani influence leyo.
Yeah, but social media wise.
Captain, coach, ucaptain uyakhishwa ngithi awuhlale phansi.
Okay, ngicela ukuphendula lapho. Now yourself you can see or you can tell ukuthi okay, this one like ukwazi ukubona ukuthi ususebenze nobani.
Ama numbers.
Ususebenze for it. Mina ngingathi mhlawumbe I've worked with one brand nakhona ngihlanhla ngoba mhlawumbe my friend wayengekho then mase wathi or uthobana usebenze nalo
hayi kade ngiyibuza
nasi space mhlawumbe ngaleyo time khona umuntu okusandile but you know the real ones ngokuthi uthi no lo uyasebenza lo usebenza nama event amaningi use she's worked with brands or people in Cape Town brands and people like me different provinces yabo kuhlukile.
Okay, in cases of ingane, because this is happening and it's currently happening now in schools, in high school, kids are dropping in school. Umuntu masumbuka intombazana, I want to be an influencer.
Influence, yeah, my influence.
Yeah, what I'm saying, influence, is nothing.
You know, yes, it's looking at someone else's lifestyle, and then let's take the high school kids. I understand, Uguti. They were once my age at some point, and now they weren't living the life at my age. Let's say I'm 18 in matric. Gibuga umuntu na 25 who's living lavish on social media, and then what they fail to understand is at 18 they weren't living that life. They were still in school. And then they want to jump the gun. Mase ingapho ke umuntu mase jumpile engazange is right yabo masiveli yamlahla kanjalo then ugcina sekune happy ukuthi bekhona isibangana next thing sekuphelile ngayo because umuntu vele wa jump igun ngoba ufuna impilo le influencer ayibuka lapha sometimes amanye ama influencers they go through the most yabo
like to go back to the fans thing, right? And I think this is like big is that I don't know if any of you have been to a rugby or cricket match. It's a vibe, it's an atmosphere. Why? Because they created, it's an event. It's not only the Sharks playing the Bulls. It starts at 10 in the morning where they've got food markets, this garden, beer garden, gin garden, this. It's a vibe. So a lot of the time, 80% of the people going to watch cricket and rugby are not actually going to watch the rugby. They're going for the vibe. They're going in before the game starts. I'm with my friend, I'm interacting, we're going. By the time they get to the field, they had fun. It's hype. Do you understand what I'm saying? So we don't have that events at soccer. We don't have. It's literally just come there and then you watch the game. Versus me watching it at home. So if I'm a fan, I'm like, must I go there where I can watch it on DSTV or? But if you say DSTV can't give me that vibe, the music, the DJ is playing there before the game, or this or that. So that's the difference between the two. They create an atmosphere where they have artists singing there.
Like
they have
cheerleaders, like the
cheerleaders. They have different
faces.
on the grounds. They have those hot tub things. They've got so. You look forward to it. When they're playing a game, I can't wait to go there to watch the Sharks or watch the Dolphins. Like all those different events that are there, you know. So they have to create a vibe, an atmosphere at the grounds to get fans in. It's fans like, you gotta not condemn, but you slowly get them in there. And then once they're watching games, they fall in love with it. Once you're at the stadium, because we all know, watching a sports event live is nothing. You can't beat that. Listening on TV, you don't have an atmosphere when you're at the grounds. Do you understand what I'm saying? So it's about getting that buy-in, getting them to the grounds. You know what I mean? And that's where I feel like we have to do a lot more emphasis on the vibe.
Imagine Ryan vibe in Zwangemali and the way that all the support of the
but we've been saying this forever, but still, when we have the guys are buying around, we buy if you have an artist there, you guys are there
I think it's a combination of two things. Yes, we have to change mindsets, but someone has to attract us to change mindsets. Also, the football administrators have responsibility to attract abantu ukuthi bazi solution ukuthi siphume kulona.
Manager because of the roles especially as a manager, especially for manager because when is such a manager we go beyond most of the time from far I'm a manager money I manager but izinto ezisithatha izinto zibona uthola ukuthi imanager sathi yipi irresponsibility sithatha to change yonto and then because kuyenzakala isikhathi esiningi uthola ukuthi imanager just worry ngempilo ngokucula kwakhe like talent but impilo whatsoever the lifestyle abangeni kakhulu like thina ebholeni as much as coach abafana but all the time uhlezi ubuze njani family uhambe kanjani fake kanjani whatsoever but in terms of mhlambe uzomcorrect amazelo in terms of industry I think a manager they more worried about ukuthi uyamculela but after that angazi
Unfortunate ukuthi lombuzo uvele ubuza umuntu right. Zonke izinto engizenzayo mina more especially kwi management le okubuza ngayo manje. Angiyenzi lento engiyenza ngoba I'm chasing money.
Yes.
You understand the lot? Ngiyenza lento because I like seeing things grow. Kunalento ecashile la. Ngiyona yonke into esenza even nayo golweni zaza will access to that. Kune issue esinayo serious of absent fathers in life in general. Yabo? Mina abantu engisebenza nabo ngiyabuka ukuthi kune gap enkulu la ukuthi lo ezinye izinto it's because kunalo umuntu loya ofanele ngabe ustamp authority obe absent empilweni nalomuntu for isikhathi eside. So manje sengine responsibility greater than just making money. Ngine responsibility to make sure ukuthi lo muntu lo izinto azenzayo nomuntu obukayo uyabona ukuthi ekuse lo muntu uphuma ekhaya right but umuntu uthi usuyabheka realistic ekhaya uyabona ukuthi lihlephukile vethu. Yabo, so mina beyond just managing ngenza into ngakho ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi I'm not just an ordinary manager manage a career. You understand that?
You know imagine njengoba umuntu omanager njengoba debuza ucoach phela la usudlala nerole yomzali njengoba usho abanye banama anti-father figures uyakwazi ukuthi isilungu wakho uyimanager umuntu oqashile
mina ngubaba wakho. Problem yasifanele wenze njani. You must separate work. Ngiyohlezi kusho ukuthi separate work and pleasure. Mina I don't hang around I'm client plan anymore. You understand that? So you don't hang around them. You can go out, but you try and minimize isikhathi sakho around them so that in level of respect izohlezi maintained.
Yini ukuthi ugcina sahlonipheki nje uphuze right assist lakho let's say alisadlala.
Uzophuzana mengaphuzwa. Mina my points inkingi bala managing. Number 1 imali. I-managers i-great zidla imali zethu
bayanews
bangasikhombisi zona. Number 2 is transparency. Ayikho into engangena phakathi kweni if there's transparency.
Anything, you're right. Anything.
I-manager ibeke etafuleni.
Sure.
Angabi khona okufihlwayo. Because the moment ufihla ngingasazwanga ngawe ngizozwa ngomunye othewe nabakhulu waxoxela yena kanti ngixoxela vele into ekhona uma sengiyithola lo ayangena amanzi endlini.
Yes mina ngisebenza kanjani to minimize that. Mina fanele ingene kuwena imali. Mina nginvoice wena. So that's the problem yokuthi nami ngibuye ngakhohlwa ukuthi understand ngiyahloniphisa ulimi ngoba nabanye abafowethu kunabanye abafowethu abachaphazelekayo so ngifanele ngihloniphise ulimi ngiliqoqe ukuthi abantu bakhohlwe ngcono imali yekuwena mina ngcono kube ukuthi wena okoleta mina because at the end of the day before mina ngibe khona before kube khona wena.
Coach, kuyenzeka coach kwamfaka umdlalo ngoba mhlawumbe khona libangana noma uxhakaza kuyenzeka ucoach ubamba usune winch njobe ngafaki
asasicabana
hayi wena kodwa kuyenzeka badlali ukuthi njobe niwe scheme hayi ngoba ukuthi ucoach khona iwinch nayo
but you can take on.
But I think
affect game
whatever engixabana na kusuka axabana umuntu soxabana ama habit especially most grounding and then ama habit mayiphela ngaleso sikhathi and
then ngeniphathwe into eseceleni ngeniphathwe intombi ngaphandle
no I don't think ukuthi ucoach fanele uzofika lapho ekutheni nakhona ke ngizoze example kunezinto obeshuthi obani kunezinto efanele uzidisense kuzona especially uthola ukuthi kuyi platform yabo manje at the moment ufanele babe busy ngazo. And then because the more close indlela abaphila ngayo la ugcina sokumpetha nabo yayibona but yawazi ukuthi ngizokwenza example if uthi ngihambe mall uRyan ehamba nomuntu wami mama ngibonile quick kufanele ngishaye side mina ukuze angabe tomorrow feel uncomfortable
ngishadile ukuthi
izinto ezifana nalezi
ukuthi kube wena uRyan ibongena umuntu wakho otherwise wena
but afike lapho
ukufike la ukuthi nibambane ngezandla nabadlali.
Uyena uKhalil uMashaya
ucoach wayebashaya umdlalo
ngathini makune-situation not uzibambe physical but to shout kuyenzakala yabo because of
uyabahalela kodwa sasa
it's a vice versa nabo kufanele u-understand umudlalo sometimes egemini ujothi umnika instruction ujothi sometimes la shout back akufanele uyithathe as ukuthi kufanele lokho angihlonipha whatsoever remember ukuthi igame mhlambe ilapha esikwakhe and then ku-difficult is trying to think all the time but into esiyipreacha kwi-system esikuyona ukuthi whatever yenza ama-90 minutes iyaphela ku-90 minutes asiyithathi beyond lokho sikhathi and then hlezi beyazi nabadlali ukuthi kufanele kudlule yabo sometimes senza ijoke bayazi ukuthi bangimemeza last game nje uZulu sathi siyamkhipha umone sheet ebusweni sathi ayiwoza nto yabo ethekule sayenza ijoke the next day ukuthi awufuni ukuphuma wathi kade sengiqala ukubangena but kwasekulethi
abadlali mina ngidisa abadlali ey'mbeni zabantu abahluphi ngoba phela yonke indawo into leti nebantu bayo abahluphayo
ngizwa
nidile kanjani nesimo salabantu abathakathayo ngoba phela ungangena la emabhentshini fica ingane isingobena usazi ukonzekeni imlensi sivuvukele nenze njani ngoba imithi ikhona yonke indawo
uyibalekele
I play mind games.
njengoba into encane namabhola nje
ngifuna uku-eda babeqeda ukuphendula kodwa ngifuna ukubhekisa ku-coach
ngathini ithi ngiqala mina ngiphendula endabeni zaleyo nto fethu shishile ukuthi ezinye izinto ngeke ukwazi ukuyishintsha yabo so wena into ekwazi ukuyicontrol ukuthi wena ungalimali yabo so nginomzali sonke sinabazali sinethunywa zethu wonke umuntu unamuntu omgadini yayizona so la uthandaza khona ikhona lakho ilona okuthembayo wena ungeza noma ingane wena mina ngithemba ikhona lami ukuthi mangithandaza kulona ayikho into ezongithinta
so kubalulekile ukuthembela kuyinto okholelwa kuyona
umuthi uyasebenza
I play mind games. Personally, guys, obviously cultures are different. Everybody's different culture. They obviously believe in it. Personally, I don't. But I like to play mind games. One born, someone's using multi. Now I take water to hey, I leave salt in the pool. So I just do that for me, but I personally I don't believe in it. But like I said, every culture is different, you know. But personally, I don't.
Shouldn't do always with you, man. Kodwa I think it's sure it's talent.
So okay.
Let's say umuntu enibangana iposition yabo uyadlala iviki neviki wena udlala but uyazazi ukuthi uperforma okudlula yena kodwa uyazi mhlawumbe ushaye ucoach ngasamething uyabo uyakhona nokuyo reportela ucoach into enjalo ukuthi coach sithithiwe phela
badlala position eyodwa
coach wena kwenzeke ubone ukuthi hayi ngithithiwe noma uyabhekisa
badlala iposition eyodwa baqhubeka
ama-situations afana lawo depend indlela aziphusha ngayo ejimini yabo ungenzeka kwenzeka yonke into njengoba nenasho ekuqaleni njengoba nawe uthole ukuthi into ithalente lakho nalo nento phela kuyona ukuthi uthi ungena estage mhlawumbe uthi ngeke ngisangena ubani esengene because uzongidida ngezinto but uthole ukuthi ngendlela wena ubelieve kuyona ngendlela uperforma ngayo uzokwazi ukuperforma mangibuyela kuleli point lokuthi njengoba esho la yena not only umuntu kuphela kunama-cultures amaningi kunama-muslim inani yonke into bafake izinto ezingama-christian kuya ney'thombo whatsoever you face wonke lama-situation afana nawo but kusafanele ube fair kwi-decision ezoyithatha one ezobenefit isiteam yabo uthi abamone masizodlala igame kunama-beliefs amaningi wonke umuntu awenzayo but I don't think ukuthi kuze kufike esimeni sokuthi udidele ngempela ukubonakala because if umuntu good then uSulu umenze good then uSulu kuzohlezi kuvele njalo ukuthi umenze good ungakudida namhlanje but kusasa kuzovela futhi lokho kuba good kuzolasta isikhathi eside kunalokho okudidayo yabo sometimes uthola ukuthi ungeke udide isikhathi eside uma udidekile ungadideka ngomsombuluko kodwa uzophaphama ngolosine sekudlalwa ngomgqibelo yabona
ngiyamqhuma noRyan noma awuna choice
So like he also said, we all brands. Everyone wants to be influencer brands. So it's fair to say all of us are brands.
Yeah.
So how can we go about, like for example, we footballers, how can we go about attracting brands? What should we do? What should we be doing and what shouldn't we be doing? I think for all of us, you know, because sometimes me, I'm looking, like I know Benzi has a lot of following on Instagram, and maybe an influencer I'll see has 5,000 followers, but she's doing adverts for this and this and that. But like someone like him who has a bigger following, it's not getting those same things, you know what I mean? Like, especially I look at the two, like in your rugby and cricket, they're getting more attractions to those sports versus ours, you know what I mean? I mean, like for example, Ronan Williams and Mukwena, those guys shouldn't have to pay for a car. They are so big and doing so well. Ronan went to Ballon d'Or, Mukwena's been doing well, Mudau's been doing well, like, you know what I'm saying? So what as footballers should we be doing to attract those brands? Because we shouldn't be, like I'm saying, paying for a car, paying for this, not supposed to be given to us, but they've earned that right, you know what I mean, to attract them.
Before,
No, it's fine.
Ukufikelela nini ubone nini ukuthi uyicareer like okwenzayo, and then two ikuphi okwenzayo, because yabo iqhamuka le situation ukuthi uyichangeile into engabonakali ibe icareer, and then ikuphi okwenzayo ukudevelop abanye ukuthi bayenze lento ibe icareer ikwazi ukubaphilisa at the moment njoba ushilo ukuthi okwamanje esukhona basazoba khona abanye awuthi imbuzo uthi nje kufikele nini nobone nini ukuthi hawo ngiyachange singakwenza lokho, and then ikuphi okwenzayo, because ngicabanga ukuthi makwazi lokwenza kwabe career kwena kwaphilisa abanye abantu fanele ukugcina ngakwena. Ibapha abanye obenzayo uba influencer ukuthi baba ama influencer bakwazi ukuphilisa imindeni yabo.
Can I start with this question? Okay, so kuphela lethi ibapha abanye
okunesinto le yami question.
No, because it ekhona vele yabo. Okay, ngaqala kanjani ukubona? Okay, so just used to attend events, and then people approached me like, okay, can you host our events? And I was like, first I was like, okay, but why me? Okay, and then ngaqala ngabuka like bigger influencers. Let's use Obonang or Mihlali. Okay, I'm not saying I was influenced by them, but I understood their culture. I'll call it a culture. I think it makes sense. It's a culture. I understood their culture. So I was like, okay, so I just basically have to use my looks, not to like a certain extent, but to my advantage. We are 70s.
Cabanga influence iphikisa ukuthi ya influencer.
I did my research, not ukuthi one influencer to do a certain thing. Cabanga otherwise. Okay, and then
only what about the managers?
And then abanye othi obanangabasiza to be. Yeah, I do work with abantu. Angifuni ukuthi bangaphansi kwami because I'm not a company or ukuthi ngiqasha abantu, but I help people because I always get people who like me, Salami, how can I do this? How can I promote? Ngingaqala njani this? And if every time I try and get someone a job kanjalo, trust me, I always tell them good ungabuki mina where I am right now and say or think ukuthi now nje it's gonna be like that. Kanjalo ususebenza nama brands amakhulu or nama artists amakhulu usuwenza ukuthi because izokulimaza leyo nto. Take your time, it's gonna flow, yabo. So I get them to work with events, like let's say you have something, so like me, I need a waiter. I'll talk to you. Again, to talk to Amash, because Amash at this point is vulnerable, I guess. But ngizom coach, yabo, Gimbonis, and then that's how they get the job. That's how they get the experience, the exposure. Mr. Now say as okay, finding entities. Also the way meaning ngimkhuluma ngakhona ukuthi ungayenzi industry kanje yabo Okay, yeah, then they know it's okay, so this is how it works. Or must come over a situation if I that person, because I groomed them, to know me. So if it's someone that I've worked with before, because I'm very professional when it comes to work, meaning about the relationship with CSV.
So yeah,
yeah, and then so like I help them because again they figure event like I need 10 okay, promoter like they can push an event. Okay. If it's just an event, I'll know who to work with. Event cool, I'll know who to work with. And then obviously, so I'm getting gold because my junk was put over here for opening 7 now in the future. Yeah, so that's how I also help I need to get jobs. Like would they get exposure? And then next thing, say 7 it flows.
Ryan.
Okay, back to your question. Okay, so with you guys, it's hard. Even with influencers alone, it's hard for them to work with brands, right? But most of the time, you have to put yourself out there. You don't have to wait for the big brands to come and approach you. You have to put yourself out there. There's an app. I don't want to mention it because now I'll be promoting it.
Off air, we can talk about it.
Yeah. So there's an app even. On that app, you put your information, your number of followers, and all that. Behind that app, obviously, there's someone doing the work behind the app. So they notice you. They know, oh my gosh, this is a big soccer player. Now you work with this one big brand, right? So by working with this one big brand, now someone else will recognize you. It's a matter of putting yourself out there. If you feel like people are not giving you brands to work with, or people are not saying, here's a coup for like a month. We're gonna say driven by Ryan, what. Put yourself out there. Like maybe go and just say, okay guys, I am, so can we collaborate? That's the term we use most of the time if we're trying to get gigs like that. Can we collaborate?
Collaborate
means
okay, can we collaborate? And then obviously they go to say yes. I don't think they'd say no, especially if you're a brand. So everyone here is a brand, right? So I don't know. You have to. I really don't know. I'm not gonna lie and make things up. But personally, I'm saying put yourself out there.
Yeah.
Don't
No,
sit and wait for them to come and,
Yeah.
if you feel like you're not recognized or whatever. Followers are going to work to your favor, but at a certain extent. So put yourself out there.
So into ebalekile Ryan more than anything usolami mhlawumbe into afangabo uyayiqondisa nina njengoba nidlala ibhola ninaki nishuthi izithombe zamafoni ma social pages enu kanti manje njengoba usuRyan Moon sekuyi brand le ngoba uassociated ne brand uvela ku TV igama lakho likhulu kodwa wena ulibona ukuthi likhulu you understand the learned angisho ukuthi hambe uyobe social media hand but ngisho ukuthi once wa aligned nelontuzana neColinaros this brand is big now should manje should usulontu ususeduze yabo njengoba ubuka ukuze uyassociate nebrand ibrand ayifuna ukusebenza nento engani quality so once bebuka social media yakho babuthi okay kune image la ethi usola mama obheka ilontuzana social media yakho asikho isithombe sefoni asikho isithombe sefoni lezo lonto kufuneka iquality yona yonke yakho ngisho ungakhulumi kodwa into oyipostayo lapha niyabona kuyacaca ukuthi iimage yalomjinti intswembe yabo angisho ukuthi hambo ogqoka designer clothes but hambo but need ube clean ngaso sonke isikhathi ugunde ube njani ungayishile kanjalo yalomjinti.
Also, if you're wearing something, let's say that's tick brand, right, from head to toe, and then you tag them, they recognize you're a soccer player. I think most of the time, brands like that love working with soccer players. Imagine now they'll approach you and say, can we collaborate? Or can we give you gears? Can you do this for us? Simple, put yourself out there. If you're wearing their brand, tag them.
Yeah,
it's like that. Like, you could be the ambassador even. You never know.
If you pay from anywhere, get paid. If I label one, I'm cooking Vincent.
You see what I'm talking about?
So, long year shop your corner, feeling tang, and then back to never want to okay. In Pasa corner, Tanda. Yakini into a corner go good things, so coca 50%. If it's 2,000, coca 1,000 by young niggas. So, what Kinaganjalo and Jalmo Guti Gianjalo, Kubona, Nabona Abezagi, Sakina sends it till Nabo. Maji, Yonkin to any Kogayo, Eabo, Nitile right. Esi Kulumenam, but Himo Ayagbon, Axibon Abezagi.
Ryan, I'm sitting on me now.
Ryan, who is a show
oh my.
Now, we
Master Key.
Instead of doing some profile and none, no one in Tibu.
You see, coach, you're not going to be Instagram honest, but we're just trying to get up.
Push
We're taking a
content.
focus there on our field, but also, sometimes I think that's the problem I think footballers are scared of. Sorry, coach, to cut you off. I think that's why footballers, why maybe sometimes they're scared to do that, because then we see he's focusing on other things, but we're actually focusing on the field. Our job is there, but football ends, like we retire at 33. Life begins at 33. Let's be honest.
Yeah.
Life begins and if you haven't made a brand.
For example, I'm a soccer players. I dali role in cool promote any polo.
Indirect, you can see what they learn, but that's a
Even us females, we associate. Well, most of the time. Yeah. If I see a soccer player at the back of my mind, I'm thinking Golf 7R.
Yeah, bo.
It's like that.
No,
but I'm being realistic. If I see a soccer player, I'm associating with VW.
Yeah.
So you drive a VW, you're a soccer player, put yourself out there.
I'm a soccer player. Oh, the coach.
Ubuzo sister influencer, community influencer apply kumuntu osifazana kuphela. And two, bese ngibuza kudlala nosenzo ukuthi kwenziwa yini because umuntu ayilalela khona iRed. Uthola ukuthi ukhozi mhlawumbe lidlala kancane umusic wakho. Uthola igagasi udlala kakhulu. Sekwenziwa because ngiyenga understand. Uthola ukuthi mawuvula igagasini badlala kakhulu music wakho. Mawuthi ukhosini awukho. Yabo sigcina siba lost ukuthi uzama ukushintsha istage ngoba uzama ukulalela okulandela yabo ingakho sibe lost kancane ukuthi uthi uyangala ukhosini uze basho bathi hayi noma bengashongo but uma ulalela mhlambe 4 times thola ukuthi ukakasi badlala music uma uthi uyangala enena bawudlala sibe confused because mhlambe ubalele njengoba senikhona ukuthi nizichaze ukuthi siphi stage
sizophendula into encane
for thina uMaskandi uma ngabe uzizwe uzwe iculo lakhe radioini nokushisa impepho ekhaya ubonga amadlozi usuku ungakwenza ngoba thina kuMaskandi asinayo platform enkulu uma kuziwa kwi-radio nakwi-TV kunama radio akutshela ukuthi awanayo even i-license yokudlala uMaskandi uyabo uthola ukuthi mhlambe une-interview eradioini bakutshela ukuthi abazukwazi ukudlala more than one song kwi-interview yakho kusho ukuthi kumele udlale iculo lakhe liyi-1 then nalawa ama-feature angasiwa umaskandi ukuze mhlawumbe kukwazi ukunela lo 3 songs we interview yeah so thina njengomaskandi mhlawumbe akufani nakodla ku-19 lo ama-radio stations bayadlala kuwona wonke u-4 wama-TV yakhona SABC bayadlala kuwelela nako-Channel O nani music wabo open umaskandi kufuneka i-license ukuze ukwazi ukudlala umaskandi noma ngabe uyi-TV noma ngabe uyini so that is why uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe uzofika ukuthi umaskandi udlala more okhosini bawuntshontshe kancane kwigagasi but kwamanye ama-radio station awubuzi umaskandi because abanayo i-license
yokudlala more umaskandi ukhosini
engingazi
ukhozi lidlala ini umaskandi
no okay asiyilungise nale udladla okhosini udladla mhlawumbe kwigagasi uzomfica edlala kuma-shows awu-7 uyabo ku-metro uzomfica edlala kuma-shows awu-7 kukhozi uzomfica edlala kuma-shows awu-7 lokho kuyi-advantage kudladla cause uma ususamro usunika udladla imali ukhokha kahle unto encane uzomfica edlala kusigiya ngengoma uyabo futhi mhlawumbe nakhona kanye ngenyanga lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi usamro uma usukhokhela unto encane umnikeze R20 into encane akana-complain angangemali ayidlalile yes
uchaza ukuthi udladla ushaya isokisi kulaba abanye
ya odlala i-right into yabo
mhlawumbe uku-eda kule nto esho mfowethu ngokwaka kule nto yama-radio nokudlala umusic nani kunento ekuthiwa plug music kusho ukuthi kunomuntu osubmithayo ku-radio station ethize music so kunabantu abangama-specialist okuplug music yeah but kufanele wazi uthobani ukuze uthole lo muntu ayizwa lo nto ngenze example yabo ukuze umusic wakho ukwazi ukudlala kona wonke ama-stations ngoba kunama-stations njengesiteshi sethu sala eThekwini igagasi luphusha kakhulu umusic ama-sister la eThekwini but awenzi imali ngoba they are just a small regional station but what they are doing is very good abafani ukhozi muthi ubuka ama-impressions ukhozi lingakudlalela ingoma kanye uthi ubheka ama-impressions kwi-monitor 2 million yezwa lo nto uthi ubheka igagasi lidlale ka-15 ama-impressions athi 15,000 yezwa lo nto so udinga kunama-specialist abantu abaplug music so wena if uzothatha ngetalente uthi ngoba ngino-music concern bazodlala laphana izodlala kanye ngenyanga so dinga abantu no kunama-specialist abaplug music kuma-stations
iwo laba
nina la
abazongishilo ngathi yonke into idinga mina
coach liyashandisa iminyaka leshandisa iminyaka ebholeni ikhona ngempela because sothi uyaba nomngani ombonayo lo ungadate kodwa sothi una 24 into ekhona noma
but angithi mayesebenza
awazi phela
umuntu usefika currently nge-ID ngokwazi ukuphikisa
abafiki nawo fake
awubona ilazo uyibonayo ukuthi ayingeke le ID
nakukhona
okay nami khona umbuzo ngicela ukubuza la yabo ngoba sila kwi-platform ye-Eros and ubheke kuwe lo mbuzo yabo because sila kwi-platform ye-Eros usudlala isikhathi eside kwi-Eros uyabo and umuntu nokufunda mhlawumbe emaphepheni ayezwe ema-radioini to hayi ufuneka kuphi nakuphi uyabo kodwa usasela kwi-Eros and usaseyiloya Sibiya esasimaze efika uyabo mhlambe ungayi kwakho lapho akukudingbalisa ngazi nomuntu uzosunderstand leso sizulu uyabo ukuthi komunye ngoba ama-team afana no-Eros abuye afane nama-team adevelopela amanye ama-team thola ukuthi khona umunye ozoba kwi-situation efana neyakho uyabo ukuthi uyafuneka ngapha nangapha agcine engasaboni ukubaluleka kwe-Eros kuye uyabo imost yabantu oqale nabo noma bafike ngesikhathi sakho abanye sisababona nokubabona yabo ngoba bajahe ukubuka ukuthi utshani buluhlaza ngakuphi bakhohlwa ukuthi nalaba khona buluhlaza but ngeke bazibabona ngoba bala so iyipho wena into mhlawumbe nikeza omunye umuntu ukuthi alandele izinyathelweni zakho angenzi into ehlukile kunenye.
So uphazamisa solo before uphendule. Into encane umbuzo ngivala ngawo ogcina manje ngibuka njengoba ngibuka abantu kanje leke ngeshadile lo ngidlalisa umuntu kanje lo ering. So ngizovala ngawo lo umbuzo wakho into encane.
Hayi indaba ungavali ngowami.
Hayi khona dlala. Wena dlala noma yini?
Khokha nini nakizo.
Yabona into encane mfethu. Nje iqiniso nje mfethu elimsulu. Iyaba khona yona lo nto leyo. Basikasi ngumdlala ayifiki kwena direct. Yabo. Ayikho nje sofaka ngathi uyakufundisa imali ngiphi. Yini usukuzizwa lezo?
Yeah.
Ngendawo. Futhi into yaba right ukuthi vele la ekhaya ifunda ekhaya somndeni sena ka-Arrows mfethu model uba i-team. Into sayikhuluma sayinaba.
Yeah.
Yabo. So ukuhlala kwami kwangisiza because bengithi ngiyabheka izinto ezenzakalayo. Ngihlaba kusegoli. Ezizinto angazazi empilweni igoli bathi ikhulu. Ezinye izinto zibezinhlule kuthi ngila around the Durban noma incane yabo. But if kuthiwa ngingali bekasade ngalazi. Zobinga manje kunenkinga bangizofoyela manje umuntu asabele manje la. Yabo.
Yeah.
Izinto bese sibheke lezo. Yes sibona bebeyichaza ekumnandi lapha ku right. Bethu soma big manje yabona impatho la ekhaya mfethu. Best. Sungaphula ukuhamba uyephi uthi ubani manje imali. Impatho ibalekele ebholeni.
Shaka impatho.
Sethu.
Awubikona sokubikona.
Uyayithola impatho ekhaya nje wena uyafethu.
And yabona manje after mhlawumbe iminyaka ngazi mngaki. Sisakubona TV i-weekend ne-weekend. Kunabantu abahamba ngekhathi zakho balandela lezo zinto lezo esingasababoni njengamanje. Okusho ukuthi mhlawumbe igenge eningi la kwi-Arrows ngoba ukhona eduze mina njengonto encane support ibhola oyibukayo into ye-Arrows bengathi mina igenge eningi mhlawumbe la kwi-development ye-Arrows ingakuthatha wena njengomuntu ongaba imentor yayo ozokwazi ukuyisiza ekuthatheni ama decision right because nakho i decision owayithatha awukazi uyisole ngayo every game usibuka i performance yakho efanayo ne performance ya 5 years ago yabo
inzima nje encane le position omfake yona ngoba ngesawazi ukumdedela ngoba useyimenzo futhi sezosikhuluma ngamesa amdedela manje noba fethi ngicabanga ukuthi usuku la namhlanje si unpack izinto eziningi kuyajabulisa ukuthi masihlangene bafethi siyakwazi ukuthi sikhulisane kanje uma sisuka la dladla ngifuna ukuthi ngoba kunento special gift engizocela ukuthi sikulungisele sokudelivela yona. Yeah. Especially gift yakho nje special ngoba ispecial sizokutshela mase siphumile naso bafethu. I-podcast yethu namhlanje siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nonke nenze isikhathi ukuthi nifike la namhlanje sihlangane sonke and share yonke lento esishare la namhlanje. I just hope ukuthi omunye umuntu lo ngale ohlele ekhaya uthi mayibuka lento le abuka ukuthi eksenami ngiyafuna ukuba uRyan Mandela.
Kodwa umbuzo wami ugcina ukuzana ukuthi abantu badlala ibhola banema allowance yokudansa futhi bayasho banemali yokuthi
ingabasho bize
kuzenza sheshe ngiyodlala ibhola
Ayasayona bafethu
asevala bona be-Arrows
ngasayona
abakhamba njengo-Black Label
ayikho